Welcome to this video where we're diving into the world of Stella and Chewy's raw coated kibble dog food. Known for its high-quality ingredients and adored by dog owners far and wide, Stella and Chewy's is more than just a meal. It's a feast fit for your furry friend. In this video, we'll explore the specific features that make this dog food stand out from the crowd, and the benefits that come along with it. Stay tuned as we unpack why Stella and Chewy's raw coated kibble dog food is a fantastic choice for your furry friends. Now, let's delve into the unique features of Stella and Chewy's raw coated kibble dog food. What sets Stella and Chewy's raw coated kibble dog food apart from the rest? The answer lies in its top-notch features. One of the most distinct elements is the raw coating. Each kibble is generously coated with freeze-dried raw food, ensuring your furry friend gets a taste of raw nutrition in every bite. Next, we can't ignore the high-protein content. Stella and Chewy's prides itself on using responsibly sourced animal proteins, providing your dog with the essential nutrients it needs to stay active and robust. Another feature worth mentioning is the use of natural ingredients. From farm-raised animals to organic fruits and vegetables, every ingredient is carefully selected to maintain the highest quality. Stella and Chewy's raw-coated kibble dog food is a testament to the brand's commitment to keeping things as nature intended. Moreover, the absence of fillers or artificial additives is a feature that really shines. There are no grain, gluten, or potato ingredients in this dog food. No artificial preservatives, colors, or flavors either. Instead, you'll find wholesome ingredients that contribute to your dog's overall health and well-being. These features combined contribute to the superior quality of Stella and Chewy's raw-coated kibble dog food. It's a product designed with your dog's best interest in mind, providing a balanced, nutritious meal in every serving. Clearly, Stella and Chewy's raw-coated kibble dog food is packed full of features that make it a standout choice. But what does all this mean for your dog? Let's talk benefits. Stella and Chewy's raw-coated kibble dog food isn't just a mouthful to say, it's a bowl full of benefits for your canine companion. The first one you'll notice? Improved digestion. Thanks to the raw, natural ingredients, your dog's system can break down the food more efficiently, reducing bloating and discomfort. Next, you'll see a healthier skin and coat. Omega fatty acids in the food work wonders for your dog's skin, reducing dryness and itchiness while promoting a glossy, vibrant coat. And let's not forget the energy boost. The high-quality protein fuels your dog for all the tail-wagging, ball-chasing fun they can handle. Plus, the all-around balanced nutrition supports their overall health, enhancing their quality of life in every possible way. The benefits of Stella and Chewy's raw-coated kibble dog food are clear, making it a superior choice for your dog's health and happiness. To sum up, Stella and Chewy's raw-coated kibble dog food offers a nutritious, delicious, and wholesome meal for your furry friend. Its high-quality ingredients and raw-coated goodness ensure your dog gets the best in every bite. And the benefits? Improved digestion, healthier skin and coat, and a happier, more active pup. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to check the links in the description, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Your dog deserves the best, and with Stella and Chewy's raw-coated kibble dog food, that's exactly what they'll get.